Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the alternative that you can actually get to the couch to 5K and what are the things you can actually expect. So the first one is Nag Run Club, very popular one, very well known that you can actually check out, and you're gonna have like run tracker free 5K, 10K, half marathon, celebrity athlete coaching, achievements and badges, and this is something that you can first time to check out the Nag Run Club. Also, then another one, Just Run 0 to 5K. So for just getting the job done, it's a great app. The focus is always on the run. There are no a lot of insane features, but it's just imagine just simple app. As you can see right here, it's a really simple app. That's exactly what I'm looking for, and this is something that you can actually check out for yourself. And this app is great. So there's another one. Also the Non to Run. So provides strength and mobility sessions. A Non to Run starts from true 0 and you have 12-week gradual progression. So this is another one that you can actually check out for yourself. Is more professional comparing to the Just Run. But again, this is the one that you can actually check out for yourself, and yeah, it's interesting one, On to Run. And the last one I want to share with you is Zombies Run 5K training. So this is also this kind of the gamified even when you see the logo here. And this is another one that you can actually check out. Oh yes, the 4.3 is maybe sometimes it crashes, but I still want to mention it. But primarily check the Known to Run and just run 0 to 5K apps, and maybe you're gonna like those. So have a great day and goodbye.